July. Saturday.
That is not July. Let's see. That
Saturday. 19.
No, it's not 19. That's the 20th. Today's the 20th. Okay, let's get Natalie. All right, come on. Make a move, Bubba. Oh my goodness, buddy. You're a mess. Okay. There you go. Come on. Give him some bubble. Are you happy a little bit? Okay, watch where you're going, buddy. JJ, walk. Are you a little bit happy or what? Teeny bit happy? Come on, handsomest. There you go. Causing a scene, buddy. Alright, let's go find where Natalie works. Let's go in here. Let's go look around, buddy. There's our sis. Come on, buddy. Let's go.
I'm so hungry, bro. Same. I know, right? Yeah.
Do you want to get something to eat here? You want to? Maybe.
I was going to stop by at different stores and stuff.
But stop by some stores first? Okay, what do you want to do? Got two kids in their own worlds. Natalie, her world. JJ, his. I'd like for the two worlds to collide someday. Where they want to do stuff together. Hopefully, when I'm gone, that'll be something that'll happen. Come here, bub. Follow the sissy. Looking around, huh? It's cool they put arcade back into a mall like they used to in the old days. Nowadays, all the houses have arcades with video game systems. Go up, catch up to Natalie. You want to look at the lava lamps, Bubba? Look at these lava lamps.
Been trying to find the words, been through all the nouns and verbs. I just wanna say how much you
Don't grind, Bubba.
to me.
No grinding.
But as smart as I wanna sound, it's best said simply that you bring me joy. You bring me joy. Joy.
AI taking over our job.
Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy.
I want to see the robot wave to you.
If it does wave, it's fine.
Me joy,
There's nobody behind you, so it might.
joy. Don't think that I never know when a hard day makes your light go in. But when there's a missing spark, I still feel you shine, shine. So when you need to rest in the shade, just take your time, 'cause you still bring me joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy.
Oh, here it goes. It's waving.
Oh, it's saying goodbye, Jay.
See, I told you.
It's saying goodbye. Robot. Try it out. What do you think? And then what is that in the top? Marshmallows?
I know I put white chocolate in it.
Oh, you bring me joy, joy, joy.
Good.
Yes, you
That worked.
bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. Yes, you bring me joy, joy, joy. You bring me joy.
Roboto, Mr. Roboto. Was that cool watching that robot? Huh? It's kind of cool, huh? Oh, sissy, let's go.